हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडिया स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं टाटा मोटर्स शेयर्स। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 461 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹550। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। टाटा मोटर्स shares surge 8% on JLR sells Goldman Sachs UPS price target of for Tata Group stock to ₹550. Okay, Tata Group shares. Motilal Oswal Securities said the stock trades at 16.9 times its estimated final year 24 consolidated EPS and 13.7 times its estimated final year 25 consolidated EPS. The brokerage has a buy rating on the stock with a target price of ₹525. Okay. Okay, so guys, shares of Tata Motors climbed 8% in Monday's trade. As a host of brokerage turned positive on the Tata Group stock following the automaker's global wholesale data. In a press release, Tata Motors said its global wholesale, including Jaguar Land Rover, rose 8% year on year to 361,361 units in the March quarter. All three businesses of Tata Motors are in a recovery mode, while the India CV business will see a cyclical recovery. The India PV business is seeing a structural recovery. JLR is also witnessing a cyclical recovery and supported by a favorable product mix. However, the supply side and issues will delay the recovery process, while there will be no near-term and catalyst for the JLR business. The recovery in the India business will continue, Motilal Oswal Securities said in a note. Tata Motors current market price 461.30 with a target price of ₹550. Technical chart. Okay, so guys, Motilal Oswal Securities said the stock trades at 16.9 times its estimated final year 24 consolidated EPS, 13.7 times final year 25. Following the development, Goldman Sachs shares the price target on the script to ₹550 from ₹480 earlier, as it factored in a improving volume outlook at JLR. Okay, factored. Okay, domestic sales. Earlier, Tata Motors said its domestic CV volume stood at 45,307 units, up 2% year on year for March, led by better MHCV sales, while LCV sales and dip year on year. PV grew 4% year on year to 44,044 units, in line with industry growth. Overall export declared 39% year on year. Declared and EV sales accounted for 15% of overall PV volume in March at 6,509 units. For final year 23, PV sales grew 46% year on year, while CV was up 22%, led by higher growth for MHCV at 35%, while LCV was up 10% year on year. Okay. Okay, for Tata Motors, this was the consecutive fourth month when it reported month increase in EV sales, and now its monthly EV volume surpass 6,500 units. 6,500 units in March 2023. TML sold uh, 65. Okay, in March 2023, TML sold 65.09 electric cars compared to 5,318 units in February 2023. And Sher Khan said in April 3 notes. Okay, so guys, Tata Motors shares surge 8% on JLR sales Goldman Sachs UPS price target for Tata Group stock to rupees 550. करंट मार्केट प्राइस 461. 550 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ओके, सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.